How to block someone on Instagram on your Android device. If someone is harassing you on Instagram, or you're worried that someone will start to bother you, you can consider blocking them, which will stop them from seeing any of your posts, looking at your profile, and they will not be able to send you any DMs. Although I'm going to show you how to do this through the Android app, this process will also work for Apple and PC. Okay, straight into it. First, you need to start up the Instagram app. Next, navigate to the profile of the person you wish to block. Then, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. On this next menu, you click Block. As you can see there, it says they won't be able to message you or find your profile, posts or story on Instagram. They also won't be notified that you've blocked them. So you can choose just to block this one account, or you can choose to block this account plus any new accounts that they may create. So I'm going to go for that option. Click on block. And there you go. This account is now blocked, so they will not be able to see my profile at all. Now, you can unblock the user at any time. You just do it in the same way. You go back to their profile, and you can see on the left there, you can click on unblock. Then again, you just confirm that you want to unblock them. And now this account is unblocked. And that's all it takes to block and unblock someone on Instagram on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.